My parents have always been really protective. They've just always kind of shielded my brother and I from like all things kind of spotlight and things like that so we could grow up as normally as we could.
Johnny Depp's child, LilyRose Depp, has decided to stay quiet on the court case that her father and his ex-wife Amber Heard have been embroiled in for the last few weeks. Some people are criticizing her move to remain out of the media spectacle, while others are applauding her for remaining out of it as much as possible, considering how insane the trial has been as a media spectacle. LilyRose Depp has her own career to protect after all, and staying out of it may have been the best way for her to refrain from becoming part of the frenzy herself rather than continuing to maintain her posh model image. Today we're covering LilyRose Depp. Tomorrow though, you decide. Let us know in the comments down below who you think we should cover on the next episodes of Where Are They Now. While you're there, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it so we know to keep making more videos just like it. Now, let's get into it. LilyRose Depp was born in France to her mother Vanessa Paradis and Johnny Depp in 1999. She also has a younger brother named Jack. In 2012, after 14 years together, Johnny and Vanessa separated and arranged joint custody for LilyRose, who divides her time between Los Angeles, Paris, and New York City. When Lily was 15 years old, she began her acting career with a cameo role in Tusk, a psychological horror indie film. In 2015, she appeared in a music video, and in addition to her film work, she began integrating into modeling. She appeared on the covers of various fashion magazines and has been a Chanel brand ambassador since 2015. In 2016, she was also the face of Chanel's iconic fragrance, Chanel No. 5. She did, however, continue with movies, working in films like The Dancer, A Faithful Man, and Period End of Sentence. Period End of Sentence is a short documentary film that explains how the Pad Project helped women in Delhi start their own business making sanitary pads. The documentary won the Academy Award for Best Documentary at the 91st Academy Awards, and Lily herself was nominated for Most Promising Actress at the Romy Schneider Awards. As for her personal life, LilyRose Depp is the goddaughter of Marilyn Manson, and since her birth, due to her famous parents, she has been the subject and tabloid and media reporting, including her birthdays, attendance at society events, and reviews of her fashion choices. And now, fast forward to 2022, and we watched Lily's dad, Johnny, become embroiled in his legal battles with his ex-wife Amber Heard after she accused him of domestic harm. He, in turn, said that he was not the perpetrator, but rather the victim to her violence and anger issues. As the case continued and more people became borderline obsessed with how it would turn out, almost everyone was giving their own opinion and siding with either Amber or Johnny. But one interesting voice remained silent throughout the whole thing, and that was Johnny's own daughter, LilyRose Depp. As the case went on, Johnny's fans have been showing up to the courthouse to share their support for him during the trial, and they've also rallied together on social media in his defense. At times, their behavior has been called out for being extremely problematic and trivializing the severity of the allegations against Johnny. Depp supporters on TikTok have filmed themselves reacting to Amber's sexual harm allegations and claim that she was ridiculous for complaining about being intimate with Johnny Depp. A lot of fans tend to forget that this is also a case of domestic harm. Whether or not Amber was the victim or the perpetrator, it's still setting a horrifying precedent to laugh at and make fun of someone's story like that. The audio of Amber describing Johnny hurting her sexually and physically has since been removed from TikTok for perpetrating violent harm. Johnny supporters came under scrutiny once again when it was revealed that some of them were bombarding LilyRose Depp with angry and aggressive Instagram messages for not publicly supporting her father. During the trial, LilyRose ghosted on social media, having not posted at all until the trial was over. But while it was going on, her previous posts were very angrily targeted. A now viral tweet sharing a screenshot of just some of the comments that the users spotted on the actress's Instagram page shows a lot. A lot of these tweets were people being upset that Lily is silent and not openly supporting her father. One user commented, quote, "Not a single picture of your dad. What kind of human being are you? After years you will be gone and forgotten, and people will only remember you as the daughter of a legendary man." Another user commented, quote, "Please support your father. Regardless of your relationship with him, you know that Amber is not the victim. Support him, please. Speak up." Other commenters begged LilyRose Depp to tell them how they could get in touch with Johnny's legal team, especially when it came to the Milani Cosmetics dispute, which didn't amount to anything in court. Other social media users were quick to share their shock as they reacted to the tweet that initially drew attention to these comments. The tweet wrote, quote, "Y'all harassing her over a man y'all never even met. Parasocial relationships are a disease. You all have no consideration that maybe all this is difficult for her. You all feel entitled to her time and energy. It's sick. While LilyRose Depp remained silent during the 2022 defamation case, she did support her father during the 2016 divorce proceedings in an Instagram post that has since been deleted. Sharing a throwback photo of her dad helping her walk while she was just a baby, she wrote in the caption, quote, "My dad is the sweetest, most loving person I know. He's been nothing but a wonderful father to my little brother and I, and everyone who knows him would say the same." But after the trial ended, LilyRose Depp began posting again, this time after her 23rd birthday. She posted a photo of flowers she received and herself in her birthday outfit, and the Instagram post must be filtered because there is zero mention of the trial or case at all. Just congratulations for the young star's birthday. She's also been seen out publicly again for the first time with her boyfriend Yassine Stein, a French rapper. I totally understand the strategic move to not post anything at all. I mean, there's so much hate that comes with posting anything publicly relating to the trial. She's so young and shouldn't be embroiled in a case that is her own father's fight, not hers. But there are also other hints that she disliked Amber even before her father and her were married. In fact, LilyRose didn't even go to the wedding because she had such a complicated relationship with the Aquaman actress. According to People, LilyRose and Amber, quote, were not on particularly good terms. It was alleged that it was due to Amber's party lifestyle and substance use, which LilyRose didn't approve of as her father's new wife. So, in an act of protest, she didn't attend the wedding. I'm sure also watching your father marry another woman, one that has begun dating him not even a year after separating from your mom, will come as quite a harsh blow. Johnny Depp in court has also said that his daughter and son basically had no relationship with Amber when he was dating her. Quote, "My kids are far more intelligent than I am. They refuse to be around her." Although Jack has yet to express how he feels to the public, he's notoriously private, so it's unlikely he'll say anything at all. Though Johnny Depp does maintain that his insistence on taking Amber to court has been due to him wanting to clear his name for his kids. Quote, "Since I knew that there was no truth in it whatsoever, I felt it my responsibility to stand up, not only for myself in that instance, but stand up for my children. I wanted to clear my children of this horrid thing they were having to read about their father, which was untrue." So, how do you feel about LilyRose Depp? Do you wish that she spoke out a bit more in support of her father, or do you respect her decision to remain silent? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can stay updated when we post our next videos. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Where Are They Now? I've been your host Sierra. See you next time.